Okay, I'm so glad to tell you guys that there is also a disadvantage of the lowering kit. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Northeast Guy, and I'm back with another video. Nan tàu đi ha? Tàu ta. Ole, abek chút tuyên tớ. Nó chèn nào sốt ta? Thôi ta, nó uống mấy vậy? Thì con nào mà. Ole, bye bye. Today the topic will be, as you have seen in that title. Oh wow. The topic will be the pros and cons of the lowering kit, which I have been installed for the past 6 months. So I have lots of experience to tell you guys. So, and most of my viewers who were a big fan of this lowering kit, they were asking me about about the lowering kit, whether I have a faster problem or not. Okay, I'll show you guys. Whoa. I have a good place to shoot the videos, so we are going there. So stay tuned, guys. We reached the spot. I went here like 4 years back, and there were no houses out here, and even those houses were not there that time, and this place was beautiful. And again, welcome back to my channel, and we'll be talking about the pros and cons of the lowering kit. The lowering kit is this one, okay, this one, okay. So this is the kit which I have installed 6 months back. Without wasting any time, we'll just shoot it straight. Okay, first I'll be telling you about the pros, the advantage of lowering kit. Number one, it reduces the height of the seat. This height, when we changed the lowering kit, the lowering kit was longer than this, so the suspension came down till here. For short rider, it's a great news to install this kit. It reduced for like an inch. It works perfect for short rider below 5.5 feet. After installing, you'll feel like, oh, I'm Amitabh Bachchan because of the height. And secondly, it reduced the wrist and back pain. If you go for like 100 to 200 kilometers, you won't feel any wrist and back pain because the handle is almost same with the seat after installing it. So that is the main advantage, pros of lowering kit. And if you install the if we put stock, right now I'm putting the stock. I'll tell you later why I changed back into stock. After riding for like 30 or 20 to 30 minutes, you'll get a pain on your wrist. So that is the advantage of installing the lowering kit. My longest ride after installing the lowering kit is 325 kilometers, and I don't feel any back or wrist pain. Of course I'm tired, but my wrist and back doesn't have any problem. That is the advantage of installing the lowering kit. And now let's talk about the disadvantage, the cons of lowering kit. You have to say bye bye to the pillion. For example, if you have a fat girlfriend, heavyweight girlfriend, then no chance. Please don't install the lowering kit. If you have fat chicks, if you have a fat friend, I didn't say 100% I have to get rid of the pillion, but you have to be careful about their weight. If you're carrying a weightless person, it's totally okay with the lowering kit. And secondly, off-roads. Okay, I've been to off-roads for more than 5 times. I don't have any problem riding alone. Okay, if I ride alone, I don't have any problem. The ground clearance also just fine. Okay, then if we go with a pillion, then I have a problem. Let me show you the problem which I have faced, the disadvantage of the lowering kit with the heavyweight champion. This, the tire hits this. Damn, I need to repaint it. The tire touched this, and I used to keep my number plate like this, and even it touched this and this. When I install the lowering kit, the number plate right now with the stock is up to this much, and if we install the lowering kit, then the number plate comes right here. When we sit, I'm 70 plus kg, so it comes up to here. If we sit with the pillion, then sometimes it touches. See this. Okay, that is the problem. Okay, I'm so glad to tell you guys that there is also a disadvantage of the lowering kit. And third, while cornering, you will face a little discomfortness. You will have a little problem while cornering, so you'll get used to it after riding for like 3 to 5 right cornering. Okay, thirdly, ground clearance. You have a with pillion again. If you go with the pillion, you'll face a problem on speed breakers, high speed breakers. You'll have a problem. It will hit underbelly of your bike, so that will create a problem. But you have to be so careful while going onto speed breakers. So that is the third and the last disadvantage of a lowering kit. That much I can tell you guys. So apart from that, there's nothing problem with the lowering kit. So if you want to install the lowering kit, then go for it. So if you are aware of those things which I have told you, you can install it, no problem. Okay, that's it for today. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and comment, and please do like. I'm the Norris guy signing out. Bye bye.